Uh, Welcome, dear students and friends. Welcome to my channel, Short and Studies Made Easy. We have already studied up to chapter 13. Today we are studying chapter 14. Chapter 14 speaks about N and F hooks. How to write N and F hooks in shorthand. To represent N sound in any stroke, curve stroke or straight stroke, we put a hook at last. This is N. It represents N sound. So like that. How to write tone? T-O-N-E, tone. We write like this, then N hook. So instead of writing T-N, tone, we are writing like this. This is a short form. Now, coin. How to write coin? Coin. A small hook. Coin. Oi diphthong, then N hook. This is a small hook, that is N. It is represented by N sound. Now write. How to write rain? Rain. N hook. Rain on the line. Like this. Now, in curved strokes also, you can use this N stroke like this. Thin. How to write thin? Eth and N hook. Thin. This is thin. Now assign. A-S-S-I-G-N. Assign. 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 N hook. Assign. So like this, a small hook writing represent N sound. N sound. This can be used in straight stroke as well as curved stroke. Now let us study F hook. How to write F hook? This also tough. T-O-U-G-H. Tough. How to write tough? So instead of writing T-F, tough, we are writing tough. A small hook. Last, at the last, that represent F sound. T-F, tough. Instead of, we write tough. So this take long time to write the two consonants. So instead of writing all the two consonants, we write like this. A small hook represent F sound. Now, cave. Cave. How to write cave? K-V hook. Cave. So this represents a V. So instead of writing K-V, all these things, you don't write this. We write K-V. V, this is V sound. It comes like this. So this is, we studied N hook. Now we studied a F hook in the last. Now fun. How to write fun? N hook again. F and N hook. Fun on the line. Now how to write this funny? How to write funny? F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. F, funny. You have to write. In this, you have to write fully. Reason, a vowel is followed after the stop. Then you have to write fully. Otherwise, suppose it is fun, you can write short form. If there is a vowel followed, then you have to write the stop fully. Now, N and F hooks. Another example. These hooks, N hook and F hook, can be used in between the words also. Suppose how to write punish. Punish. You can write pa, n hook, then ish. Punish. Like this you can write. Punish. Then painful. How to write painful? Painful. How to write painful? Painful. Painful. You can write. The n hook. This is n hook. You are writing in between. In between. These are in between n hook. Now, okay. How to write joiner? The inner hook already we have studied, so it is repeated in this lesson also. Joiner, joiner. This is diphthong, joiner. Now how to write keener? Keener, K-E-N-R, keener, keener, keener. So like this. So these stocks are, ner also can be used like this. The n hook is used in between the stock. And the f hook also can be used. What is the example for f? I will tell you. Defense. For defense, how to write defense? Defense. 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 The outline. And the example is n. So this is v. This is a v hook used in between the stocks. Defense. V hook. So this V hook and N hook can be used in between also. It can be used at the end of the stock also. So that is written here from the examples. Now, N and F hooks in flexography. N and F hook is also very well used in flexography. How to make the flexography? Flexography is nothing, joining two or more words in one stroke without lifting the pen. That is flexography. Writing two or more words in one go without lifting the pen. That is flexography. How to write that flexography? N hook and F hook in flexography. Let us see in the grammar block. Grammar block like this. In flexography also we use N and F hooks. For example, I have been. I have been. How to write I have been? I have been. To use the N hook is used to represent been sound. I have been. Like this, their own. T-H-E-I-R, their own. Their own. To represent own sound, the N hook is used. N hook. Like this, there are other words. Which have. We write which like this. To represent have, we write we hook, which have. So in this way, flexography also we use N and H hook to make further shorthand to the long hands. So now this lesson is over. In this also there are exercises 51, 52, 53, 54. All these exercises you have to practice in the house. Right. In case you have any doubt, you make the query in the link given below.